agreements. I'm in charge here.
Hi, Peter. Guess what? I have a welcome home surprise for you. Dish, dish, dish. Remember how you told me your ultimate fantasy was to have an 11?
Oh my God, yes I do, and you so did not.
Oh, but I do. You guys.
Oh, here are my notes about the gay gene.